Welcome to Jnana sinchana classes. See here, yesterday we have learnt about the classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes. Neene ನಾವು haloalkanes ಮತ್ತೆ haloarenes definition ಮತ್ತೆ classification of haloalkanes and haloarenes ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. See here, first thing is what is nucleophile. Okay, what is nucleophile? Nucleo means nucleus. Phile means loving. Nucleus loving species. Nucleus loving species are called as nucleophiles. They have lone pair of electrons. They have lone pair of electrons and they carry negative charge. And they carry negative charge. Our negative charge na carry matter. Okay. They as nucleophiles, they are negative charge. They are represented like this. Nu minus. As they are negatively charged species, they attract positively charged centers. They try to attract positively charged centers. Okay. See here, nucleophiles. These haloalkanes, here in this case we know that halogen atom is more electronegative, therefore it attracts the shared pair of electron towards itself and it carry partial negative charge. As it carry partial negative charge, carbon atom carry partial positive charge. The partial positive charge of carbon, which is responsible for the nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes. Okay, first one is reaction with aqueous NaOH or KOH, potassium hydroxide. See here, it contains Na plus and OH minus, K plus and OH minus. Okay, therefore, see here, this OH minus is the nucleophile. See here, I will write general reaction. Alkyl halides, haloalkanes, they are generally represented by Rx. Alkyl halides, when they are heated with aqueous potassium hydroxide, then respective corresponding alcohols are formed. See here, ROH. OH minus is the nucleophile. Incoming nucleophile substitutes or replaces the existing halide group. Incoming nucleophile which replaces or it substitutes for the existing halide group. Therefore, ROH plus KX, potassium halide, is formed. This is the alcohol. This is alkyl halide. And an alkyl halide, okay, it is heated with potassium hydroxide, aqueous potassium hydroxide, corresponding alcohols are formed. See here, CH3Cl, it is an alkyl halide. This is CH3 is the alkyl group. Alkyl halide, when it reacts with KOH, when it is heated with aqueous KOH, then CH3OH, okay, and KCl, potassium chloride. This is methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol is formed. Similarly, I will write one more example. CH3Br, when it reacts with potassium hydroxide, aqueous potassium hydroxide, then here incoming nucleophile is OS minus, which replaces the or which is substitute for the existing halide group. Okay, here CHBr is the existing halide group. CH3OH plus NaBr. This is methyl alcohol. Okay, this is about reaction of these haloalkanes with aqueous KOH and NaOH. And next one, reaction with water. And second one is reaction with water. Here I will write general reaction. Alkyl halide, it is represented by Rx. Okay. Water, H2O. H2O contains H plus and OH minus. OH minus is the nucleophile. See here H2O. When an alkyl halide is boiled with water, alcohols are formed. ROH and HX. ROH and HX. It contains H plus HX. It contains OH minus. OH minus is the nucleophile which replaces this halide group. Therefore, it forms alcohol. And next, I will take one example here. C2H5Br. This is ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. Okay, when it is heated with water, H2O contains OH minus nucleophile. OH minus nucleophile which substitutes for the Br. Therefore, C2H5OH plus HBr plus HBr. C2H5OH. This is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Next one is reaction with KCN, potassium cyanide. Reaction with KCN, alcoholic KCN. See here, when an alkyl halide, this is general reaction, what I am writing here. See here, when an alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide, see here, it contains K plus and Cn minus. Cn minus is the nucleophile here, and the Cn minus which substitutes for the halide group here. Therefore, RCN plus KX, potassium halide. This is known as R is alkyl. The product is alkyl nitrile. Alkyl nitrile. Product is alkyl nitrile. I will write one example here. CH3Cl. Okay. Alkyl group is methyl. Halogen atom is chlorine. Therefore, it is an alkyl halide. Methyl chloride. Okay. You know, right? Methyl chloride. It is an alkyl halide. When it reacts with, when it is heated with alcoholic potassium cyanide, Cn minus is the nucleophile which substitute for this chlorine. Okay, it substitute for the chlorine. CH3 Cn plus KCl. CH3Cn plus KCl. This is methyl nitrile. Methyl nitrile. Here, methyl nitrile. CH3 C triple bond N. Okay, ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ methyl nitrile. Sorry, it is ethyl nitrile. First carbon, take this as first carbon, second carbon, there are 2 carbon atoms, therefore it is ethyl nitrile. Okay, and next one is reaction with AgCN, alcoholic Ag. Reaction with alcoholic AgCN. Okay, here AgCN. When an alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic AgCN, alkyl isocyanates are formed. Alkyl isocyanates, N triple bond C. Okay, alkyl isocyanates are formed. AgCN. So AgX. Alkyl isocyanates are formed. For example, CH3Br methyl bromide, when it reacts with alcoholic AgCN, then CH3N triple bond C AgBr. AgBr, silver bromide is formed. See here, this is methyl isocyanide. Methyl isocyanide is formed. Methyl isocyanide is formed. And next one is reaction with sodium alkoxide. Reaction with sodium alkoxide. First ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ sodium alkyl oxide. Sodium alkyl oxide. This is how we have to write sodium alkoxide. Okay. See here, I will write general reaction first. When an alkyl halide Rx when an alkyl halide is treated with sodium alkyl oxide. Okay, this R and R dash both are alkyl groups. They may be same or they may be different. Okay, see here, when an alkyl halide is heated with sodium alkyl oxide, okay, see here, sodium alkyl oxide, ROR dash, ethers are formed. ROR dash means ethers are formed plus NX, sodium halide. This is what? Sodium alkyl oxide. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, sodium alkyl oxide. When an alkyl halide is heated with sodium alkyl oxide, then ethers are formed. This reaction is known as Williamson's ether synthesis. It is very, very important reaction. Williamson's ether synthesis reaction. Okay. This is general reaction. I will write one particular example here. CH3Br plus Na, okay, sodium alkyl oxide, sodium methyl oxide, sodium methyl oxide, sodium methyl oxide. This is methyl bromide, methyl bromide. See here, when an alkyl halide is heated with sodium alkoxide, sodium methyl oxide, then ethers are formed. CH3, CH3OCH3, CH3OCH3 plus NaBr. See here, this is dimethyl. O functional group is there, therefore it is dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. I will write one more example. C2H5 here. This is ethyl chloride. Okay, ethyl chloride. Okay, when it heated with sodium alkyl oxide, I will take alkyl group here, CH3. Okay, methyl group. Okay, sodium methyl oxide. Then C2H5 OCH3, okay, plus NaCl. See here, it is a mixed ether here. One is methyl group, other is ethyl group. When there are two different groups, then we have to use alphabetical rule. Okay, ethyl comes first, later methyl. Therefore, this is ethyl methyl ether. Ethyl methyl ether. This is very important. Okay, Williamson's ether synthesis. Okay. Next one is reaction with silver salts of carboxylic acid. Silver salts of carboxylic acids. Reaction with silver salts of carboxylic acid. I will write general reaction. See here, and an alkyl halide RX, and an alkyl halide is heated with silver salt of carboxylic acid. See here, silver carboxylic acid, representation RCOOH. Okay, silver salt of carboxylic acid. This is representation for silver salt of carboxylic acid. RCOOAG. RCOOH is carboxylic acid, silver salt of carboxylic acid, RCOOAG. Okay, therefore AgCOOR. Okay, RCOOAG. Now esters are formed. Here, when an alkyl halide is heated with silver salt of carboxylic acid, then esters are formed. RCOOR dash. RCOOR dash. This R and R dash. These are alkyl groups. They may be same or they may be different. Okay. R and R dash are alkyl groups. See here, AgX. RCOOR dash. Now I will take one particular example, CH3Br. when it reacts with, I will take this R dash group as CH3. This is now silver salt of acetic acid. CH3COOH is acetic acid. Okay, CH3COOH is acetic acid. CH3COOH, silver salt of acetic acid. Silver salt of acetic acid. Now the product formed will be an ester. Okay, CH3COO CH3. CH3COO CH3 plus AgBr. Okay, this is methyl bromide. This is silver salt of acetic acid. Silver salt of acetic acid. Now it is methyl acetate. CH3CO group ಗೆ ನಾವು acetate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. This is methyl. Therefore, this is methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. I will take one more example. C2H5Br plus CH3COO AgCOOCH3. Silver salt of acetic acid. This is silver salt of acetic acid. When ethyl bromide is heated with silver salt of acetic acid, then here AgBr, C2H5COOCH3 plus AgBr. AgBr. Now it is C2H5 group is known as ethyl. Okay, ethyl, and CH3CO group is known as acetate group. Ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate. Okay. Next one is reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. See here. When an alkyl halide, before that, see here, what is the formula of ammonia? NH3. Okay. If one hydrogen atom of ammonia, if it is replaced by one R group, alkyl group, then it becomes RNH2. This is known as primary amine. Okay. If one more hydrogen atom of ammonia, if it is replaced by one more R group, then it becomes R2NH. R2NH. This is known as secondary amine. If one more hydrogen atom of the ammonia, if it is replaced by R group, then it becomes R3N. Okay. This is tertiary amine. Okay. So here, when an alkyl halide, I will write general reaction. When an alkyl halide reacts with ammonia, okay, reacts with ammonia. For our convenience, I will write like this. See, NH3 here it is. Okay, HX. Okay, RNH2 plus HX, hydrogen halide. RNH2 is primary amine. Again, this primary amine heated with alkyl halide. For our convenience, I will write like this. RNHH. This is primary amine. RNH2 is the primary amine. Okay. Now it forms R NH. Okay, R2NH plus HX. Plus HX. Okay, this is secondary amine. This is secondary amine. Okay, again this secondary amine RNH, okay, R2NH reacts with alkyl halide. When it is heated with alkyl halide, then it forms R3N. R3N plus HX. See here, this is tertiary amine. Okay, and this reaction of alkyl halides with ammonia, okay, in order to form primary, secondary, tertiary amines is known as Hofmann's ammonolysis reaction. Hofmann's ammonolysis. This is known as Hofmann's ammonolysis. Okay. This is all about nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloalkanes. Thanks for watching.